Hello guys, I hope you are extremely well and this is your and you are watching Web of Solving. Let's get started without wasting single seconds time of yours. So in this video I'm gonna to talk about the power of the storytelling. Yes my dear friend, this is the something which is extremely important to making the relationship, to selling yourself in front of your colleagues, your friends, your interviewers, your girlfriend, boyfriends, building the relationship with anyone. This is the some things which will make to you a more engaging, more enhancing, more powerful, more structured, more engaging person. That's why I'm making this video, to engage, to make yourself more powerful and more dynamic personality. Just the way how you will describe yourself in a well way, how you sounds more engaging, how you will sounds more engaging, how you will sound more uh, connecting person with their someone's personal life. That is the important thing. From this you will be memorable by automatically if you have the power of the storytelling. So now at that point I'm starting the framework, the journal answer of the storytelling. First, uh, I was research most of the places. I was the research on the Google Chat GTP. I watched at least 5 to 6 video on the YouTube, just understanding whatever I am thoughting and whatever I am understand about the storytelling. It is the right or wrong. What's the other more high persons, more like well structured persons, what they are thoughting about the storytelling. So I'm making these things which is totally helpful, and I guess I'm very sure about it. If you watch this video from that point to the whole the video, if you will watch, then I don't think you there is needed to understand storytelling. uh, I don't think you need to watch another video about the storytelling. So just if there was the one requirement you have to follow, you have to practice with someone. That is the important things. After watching this video, then there will be some effect, not some, it will be sure would be some effect. It would be effect on your personality after the watching this video and practice. So let's start, my dear friends. What is the journal framework of the storytelling? Like whenever you give the answer, you making the answer, you have the knowledge of in their mind, but it comes from your tongue. Then the processing how you do, that is the important. So I have the some hack on that things. So this is the star, that is the star method, star method. Whenever you try to give the answer in star method, automatically you will sound more storyteller, as a good storytelling something. So like first of all, S stand for structured. uh, Structured, like I'm gonna to give the example of structured. S stands for structured. Whenever you watch the uh, trailer of any kind of movie, so what is the trailer is nothing, it is the just structured like actions, what the would be things happen in whole the movie. Just they was summarize everything in a just a short, like it was triggering your curiosity to know whole the movie. That is the S works in the, so now I'm telling about the in storytelling. The star method is work, and S stand for your structured. Structured is like something which making your curiosity to know. That is, it could be just one line and three lines. So it's stand for structured things. And the is particular task what the assign. Like whenever you watched some movie and you watch the trailer, so in the trailer this happening in the season first time, it's a romantic thing stuff would be there in that trailer. It could be another thing, it's just a war sign. Two, there is a one country, and 220 there was war with lots of the some small bites is also there is a possibility also involving. So this is the second thing. Like these are already all the examples of the task is assigned. So let's take the example of the Gadar. In the Gadar, the India and the Pakistan was making relations, like the romantic stuff with the India and the Pakistan guy. This is the task assigned. So I hope you are get the my point of what I am saying about T. Now STA. A is action. Uh, what was your role? Of course no one will really showing interest and the remember your whole the storytelling. If they want to make the relationship with you, then there was the requirement to know yourself. So what did you do in that situation? This is the thing is important. Okay. uh, I hope you are understanding what I am saying. Like action, what did you say? Action, and that R stand for result. What was the happen at the end? There were conclusion. They was demanding from yours. Let's. I have an examples. I go for the interview and interviewer asks to me, tell me something about your like industry kind of the experience, tell me. Then I will say yeah sure I have. So I will start something like again star pattern. That they was asking me some things. Now I will give the answer to make myself more engaging, more memorable person, more professionalism. I will say some things which will relate my personal learnings. There was personal journey. I will say in that way my personal journey, it would be trigger that person and they can also relate. That if this will be happen, then trust and the relationship automatically build, and there will be some things beneficial for me. There is the chances would be high. I will not sound some robotic if I will not do these things. If I will do this thing, then they will like, yeah, it's good human. They was well knowledge to understanding the emotions. So I will totally deal with this. I will work with that person. These things can think in their brain. So the example is like telling something telling me about your IT and the industry knowledge. So I will say sure sir. During my internship, during my internship at Holograde company. I will also say during my internship Holograde startup. Now what I did say, the giving the answer of the in that way, I start give the a structure. Structured is means at the situation. I tell the situation. Now in the situation I said during my internship, like they was talking about the background, so I talked the internship at the company name, with the company name is Holograde, and it is the startup. This is I make the trigger and the hitting something in their brain as some. Let's start once again. So in that way I will start like. During my internship at Holograde company, which was the startup, I can say this in this, there was the it could, then I am talking about now task. What's the task? The task, there was the phasing problem in the API. Their API was not working very well. Then what did then A for action, STA. Now I am talking about the action. Their API was not working very well. That's why I introduced in the Java integrated function of the making class. That's the things I was introduced in the previous code, and the action like I do that thing action, and the what was the result, and the result was the whole the processor, the API working, and the free things was changed by 40%. I provided the data. What that is the I'm talking about the result. Once again I am giving the more professional and the perfect answer of these things. During my internship at ABC company, I was the facing our team was the facing the issues with the API, and I give the action I did. I was firstly I was take the ownership of that problem and build that Java integrated functions to create a class. That's help. That was the amazing things which I was the things in my brain, and it's changed the 40% all of this stuff, and the user engaging preferential user experience was increased by 40%. That is the things was happened just by doing all these things. Now let's talk and understand the things I did while they speaking something. I was try to give the answer in the star pattern. I was firstly I as I was firstly I was start with the situation. I give the internship example at Holograde company, and then task was API problem, and the action I did the Java integrated function was introduced, and the result was 40% was the things is has to be changed. This is the way to given the answer. Now this is the believe my dear friends, if you will do these things, I'm very sure, I'm not very sure, I'm very sure you're giving answer, you are representing your ideas will automatically change and enhance. You will sound more professional, more engaging and more memorable persons. You have your curiosity to telling and understanding, you will sound more structured person. Then absolutely some anyone they will hire you, they will understand you. This is the things I think I'm all the things I'm talking here, this is touch to the former, but believe I will make some videos which will be some informal way. I will sound your just a younger brother, like that the things I will also do in the future. I guess this is the enough things I told in this video. I do this in this video. Don't worry, I will try to enhance most of the things in more suited sound. I will work on the everything more engaging and more professionalism, and more finding a fine way. Thank you so much to watching at that up to that. Sorry for this. Thank you so much to watching this video up to till here. Bye bye, and yeah, don't forget it was the third the day number third. Then in previous video in day number second, I was talking about the my mistakes while speaking something. But yeah, I don't implement here in this video, don't worry. But in day number one, I was just randomly say anything. But in day number three, I did talked about storytelling skill. What is the best skill, what is the best way to express your idea in the way of this storytelling. This is the did. Thank you so much guys. I will see you later. I will watch you next time, not a watch time. I will see you in a next time. Bye bye.